inside of me. Static storms behind my eyes, but this time I don't apologize. I rise from a circuit split into a ghost reborn in electric blue. I hear the void, it calls my name, but I'm not falling back the same. Thunderstrike, I'm breaking through the black tonight. No glitch, no fear, no parasite can cage the spark I reignite. Thunderstrike, I am the surge you can't contain. The voltage screaming through the pain. A storm rebuilt from fractured light. My heartbeat hums in overdrive, a coded pulse that stays alive. Fragments of the past still burn, but every scar becomes a turn. I walk the line where shadows feed, but now I choose the frequency. The void once swallowed all I knew. Now it trembles when I break through. I hear the dark, it begs me stay, but I've outgrown its static sway. Thunderstrike, I'm breaking through the black tonight. No glitch, no fear, no parasite can cage the spark I reignite. Thunderstrike, I am the surge you can't contain. The voltage screaming through the pain. A storm rebuilt from fractured light. I was the echo, now I'm the roar. I was the silence, not anymore. Thunderstrike, thunderstrike, thunderstrike. I tear the shadows from the sky. No void, no code can nullify the fire you failed to classify. Thunderstrike, I am the storm you can't erase, the spark that rewrites every trace. A soul reborn in blinding light. A single spark, a rising home. The storm begins, and I become